How about one you're not going to see every day? Just in it, unique, especially in classics, it's a 1979 Ford Pinto Wagon. 4-cylinder, 2.3 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome up front, grille, headlight surrounds, emblem on the grille, baby blue exterior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, storage area. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us. 507-386-1726. Look at this 13-inch Krager SS 4-spoke chrome wheels. That 4-bolt pattern. Disc brakes up front, Kumo radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. We got to get to that bubble window, right? As you can see, paint doesn't show too bad on it. It has a decent shine to it. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. A few little rock chips down on that lower ground effect. The windows on the side are also tinted, so it kind of matches up with this wagon panel on the rear. Check out the still pictures, you're going to be able to see that, but also know your local and state laws as far as darkness of the window tint that you're going to have. Got to have a sunroof in a 79 Pinto, don't you? There's that bubble window. Louvers on the back. Be a fun car for shows. It's not like you're going to come across a lot of these out there. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Has recently underwent a $1,200 install in the stereo system with a new head unit up front, the stereo itself, speakers, and sub. Note from the technician that looked at this one, brakes are 100% in the front, 60% in the rear. Heater blows hot. If you like cars that you just don't see every day, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here. And here is a good idea of how the tinted window looks. I rolled this one up so you could kind of see how it blends with that painted black rear wagon panel. Cool look. All right, let's check out this interior. Kind of cool with the striped fabric. First of all, door panel. If you want to do any decoding at all, I do have a picture of the door tag in with the still pics. There it is. So vinyl on the sides, fabric on the seating area. I think we need to fire this up. Show you a little bit more on the interior. All right, aftermarket gauge cluster. See down below. Then there's that stereo I was talking about, Alpine. Let's go ahead. Like I said, fire this thing up. All right. Again, 2.3 liter 4-cylinder. Odometer's reading 10,207. We believe that's 110,207, but again, car was restored. A little older restoration. Dash looks good though. I'm assuming this is a feed to the newer stereo. There it is. And it is working, of course, and sounds nice. Aftermarket gauges, we have oil pressure, it looks like, temp gauge, that was a cold start, and battery. Remote for the stereo also. Let's listen. And we better check out the engine bay. After this walk around video, as usual, Jason will take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's the underside of the hood and engine bay. A little bit of chrome dress up underneath here. '79 Ford Pinto wagon. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1979 Ford Pinto. It's got the porthole window. It has louvers in the back. It has an awesome looking steering wheel. 4-speed manual right here on the center console. Now if you see a couple tiny little raindrops, it is teasing us with some sprinkles outside today. Just enough to show you that the wipers do work on this car. Our turn signals also work. The gauges on the dash, they're kind of a turquoise. The way that the needle would light up would be turquoise. A very cool color. The striping on the seats in this car, a great throwback to 1979. I mean, the whole car is a time capsule. Very cool. Underneath the dash we have a battery gauge mounted showing it is charging above 0 on the gauge, and the temperature, that gauge is showing me about 140. It is down low, but it's still warming up. Oil pressure showing 45 psi. That looks good. Let's get in third gear. Second gear for the roundabout. Very easy to shift. Smooth clutch. Corners as you would expect. The blower motor works. Let's see those wipers. The wipers are working. I see down in the kick panels we actually have kicker speakers. Sound system working as it should. There is a remote control for that Alpine stereo system in the dash. Very nice condition. The headliner, the interior, the exterior. A great looking Pinto. Believe it or not, we got a little extra traffic. We just got honked at because they love the car. 4-speed manual, Pinto. Take a look at all the pictures of this car up close and personal at uniqueclassiccars.com.